Right now I'm out in the body shop with the guys. They're putting together the rear body section on the 70 Charger RT. This is really cool stuff to show, and that's why I wanted to get the guys out here. We have an electronic measuring system by Eclipse. It allows me to measure within a millimeter exactly where a frame rail, exactly where a panel goes. So I know that the car is geometrically square. We can record that data, and then we can use it on the next car. So we get another car that's wadded up to the windshield. We know that we can set those targets in place, go back and look and see where it's supposed to be, and we no longer have to trial and fit. We just put it back to where it belongs, and we're done. That's why we use the Eclipse Measuring System. You've heard the term unibody. These are unibody cars. They're a frame and sheet metal combination, and that's what makes up the structural integrity. Right now I'm looking at this car and I see a beautifully flat rear cross member. And the Eclipse probably should be showing the exact same thing.
And now when I X from the front to the very rear that we just put in, we're within 3 millimeters.
Here's his level setting in the back, and you can see right now that probably 1 millimeter or so up on this side is gonna make that level go perfectly flat. If we didn't have the sheet metal right now from AMD, and that's the point of it, you've got to have it. AMD makes restoration parts. In this particular case, this car would have been probably totaled if I hadn't been able to buy that sheet metal from Auto Metal Direct. It would have, because I'd have had to go buy a whole nother car, and nobody's giving a whole nother car away for 5 or 10 grand. They're wanting 30 or 40 grand for a car that you're gonna cut up. 3 and 3, nice.
Yeah, we're good on the height.
Okay, it's perfect. Make it happen, build me a house. Make it beautiful.
Now that Mark has signed off on the foundation, we're ready to go ahead and get the sheet metal on the car.